Welcome to Moodle for Everyone. I'm Dr. Edward Bethel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft OneDrive to store video content so that you don't have a lot of heavy video content actually stored on your Moodle course. So I'm in my test course here, and I want to add a video to my Moodle course. But I don't want to use YouTube. I'm a little nervous about people accessing it on YouTube and this sort of thing and making it private. So I want to use some other video sharing application. The good news is that with a UB email address, you get 1 terabyte of storage on Microsoft OneDrive. And so I'm going to make use of that and upload my videos to my OneDrive account. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go to my Outlook 365, and that's the online version of your email account that you can access from the UB website. And when I'm here, I'm going to go up into the top right and hover over this set of 9 dots arranged in a square, and you'll see that when I hover over it, it says App Launcher. That gives you access to a number of different Office 365 apps, one of which is OneDrive. And OneDrive is just basically a cloud-based storage system that allows you to store up to, as I said, 1 terabyte of content. So click there, and your OneDrive will open up. And once it opens up, there are, and as you can see, I have a ton of content already stored on OneDrive. But once it opens up, there are 2 ways that you can upload your content. You can use the upload link, or you can drag and drop the content directly to your OneDrive. I'll show you how to, well, first let me show you how you would just drag and drop. Open up a window, and then you would just take the content and select a file, and then just drag and drop it onto the desktop like that. So that's really straightforward. But let's look at how you can upload that content using the button, because that's a little more complicated. So I click the button. I say I want to upload a file. It should give me a dialog box. I want to go to my movies because this is specifically about uploading videos. I'm going to select Intro to Teaching and Learning. And yeah, this is the file that I want to upload. And then, so I select it, and then I click Open. And once I click that, I get a dialog saying that I'm uploading one item. Now, because this is a movie, it's a fairly large file, so it may take a little longer to upload. I'm going to let it run so you can have an idea of how long it sort of takes to upload these videos. And again, of course, that depends on how robust your internet connection is. So we're just going to, and so yeah, there it is. Didn't take that long. Note that once it is uploaded, it gives you this option to share the link. And that's exactly what you want to do. So you just click here, share a link. And then it says anyone with a link can edit. That's not what you want to do, actually. You want just people to view the video. So then click on this arrow here, and you want not to allow editing. You want to unclick that. You only want them to be able to see the video. And so just anyone with a link can view it. You can also set an expiration date if you only want them to be able to view it up to a certain date. And you can also set a password if you want extra security around the video. And these are some of the nice things about OneDrive that you don't get the opportunity to set in YouTube or other video sharing apps. You can also limit this to people in the University of the Bahamas, but that means that people will have to access the video from their email account. So we don't want that for now because we actually want to put this in the Moodle page. So I'm going to say anyone with the link. Now I'm going to copy the link, and it tells me that it's copied, so great. I can close that off. Anyone with a link can view, that's great. Now I'm going to go into my Moodle course, and as with always, whenever I want to add content, I turn editing on. So turn editing on, and then I just scroll down to wherever I want to add that content, and I should see the add content button there, add activity or resource. So I click that, and this is just going to be a link. So I'm going to put add URL, add, and this is going to be my test video. Paste the link, and then I just click save and return to course. And once this is saved, you should see your new video link appearing, and of course we're going to test it out just to make sure that it works. Let me scroll down to test video. There it is. I'll click on that and let's see what happens. So OneDrive is opening. And it's taking a little longer, but yep, and there it is. And then you can just click the arrow button to play. And this way you can share videos using OneDrive at any time that you like. I just am going to give you a quick pointer with the video. We showed you how to share the video right when it's uploaded. You also can share it just by clicking this button here, the button with the little arrow. So in order to share it, I would just click this, and it'll give me the same share options again. So that's how you can share a video from OneDrive without having to use an open a YouTube account. I hope this helps, and happy Moodling!